If you want to make an invisible name on Steam, this video is going to show you the quickest method step by step. This is a simple little Steam trick that lets your profile name appear blank, which is great if you want a cleaner look or just want to keep your name hidden from view. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam desktop app on your computer, or you can use Steam Community in your browser if that's easier for you. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner and click on your username. This will open your account menu. From there, click View My Profile. Now you're on your Steam profile page, so the next step is to click Edit Profile. This is where you can change your display name and other profile details. When the profile editor opens, look for the profile name box. Delete your current name completely so the field is empty. Now here's the important part. You need to paste an invisible character into that box. The character you want to use is this one. Copy that exactly and paste it into the profile name field. It may look like nothing happened, but that's exactly what you want. Steam reads it as a character, even though it appears invisible on screen. After that, scroll down and click Save. Your profile name should now look blank or invisible to other users. If Steam does not accept it the first time, don't worry. Just try pasting 2 or 3 invisible characters instead of 1, then save again. That usually fixes it right away. Once you've saved the change, go back to your profile and check the result. You should now have an invisible Steam name, which makes your profile look much cleaner and more minimal. This is a really quick trick, but it can make a big difference if you want a hidden or blank looking display name. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Steam tips and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.